This is how you do step 2. For step 2, you're going to do the details part of your outline. And to do that, you should think of some questions that your paragraph will answer. And then you add them to the details of your outline. You can think of your own questions to answer, but if you want some ideas, here are some brainstorming questions that will help you think about what kind of details you can add to your outline. Why is this a good way to help your community? Who needs this help? How could people make it happen? So you're going to click the assignment link. And again, remember, don't submit it. Your next step is to add some details. At least 3. If you want to add 4 or 5 or even more, that's great. Add them. But at least 3 details. And they're going to support your main idea about, for example, in my example, helping senior citizens. So your 3 details have to support the main idea. And these, you can think of other questions to answer, or you can use these questions. For example, why is it a good way to help your community? Who needs this help? How could people make it happen? So think about it, and just like your main idea, you don't write complete sentences, just 2, 3, maybe 4 words. Only the ideas. You don't have to worry about spelling or grammar or anything. This is an outline. It's just to help you think. So helping senior citizens. What's a good way, or why is this a good way to help your community? Well, I think senior citizens, many of them, as you get older, your family members die. So you might have lost your husband or wife or your own parents. So I'm going to put here lost loved ones. So I think helping senior citizens is good because a lot of senior citizens have lost family members. So my detail is just lost loved ones. Who needs this help? That's already my main idea, senior citizens. So how could people make it happen? Well, maybe visit them. So I'm just going to put visitors here. And so my detail would be something like people can visit them so that they they have connections to other people. And then I got to have one more detail, at least one more detail. And so you got to think of at least 3 details. So think about it. And so my idea would be, it's good for senior citizens to have visitors, but it's also good for you too, because you get to meet somebody and have a relationship with them. So I'm just going to put here in my outline just good for you. And maybe later when I write my paragraph, I'm going to write something like meeting with senior citizens is good for you because it's good to have relationships. Something like that. But remember, your outline is just a few words. You don't have to write a complete sentence. In fact, you should not write a complete sentence. And also, of course, that's the answer to the quiz question. Do not write complete words, just write your ideas. So answer the quiz question, and then click the assignment link and add some details to your outline. When you're finished, you can click step 3.